Sony A7V, could this be the mid-range comeback king? Sony has long dominated the mirrorless camera scene, particularly with the A7 line, which hit that perfect sweet spot for professionals and serious enthusiasts. But over time, competitors like Canon, Nikon, and even Fujifilm have been gaining traction by offering better specs at more attractive price points, especially in that prosumer or mid-range bracket. Now comes the big news: a Sony A7V registration has just been spotted in Asia. While not officially launched yet, the registration confirms that something big is brewing. Industry insiders are buzzing about a major refresh, not just a minor spec bump. According to leaked specs and insider reports, the A7V may feature either a 33MP stacked sensor or possibly even a 44MP sensor, both promising enhanced low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and faster readout speeds, something hybrid shooters, event photographers, and videographers will truly appreciate. We're also hearing whispers of 20 frames per second burst rates, better heat management, and 5.0 MP EVFs, which would be a big upgrade from the 3.8 MP EVF in the A7 IV. These performance improvements are aimed at addressing real-world limitations that Sony shooters have faced, especially in wedding photography, concert coverage, and content creation under challenging lighting conditions. And let's talk about price. Expected to land around the $3,000 mark, this new camera is squarely in the enthusiast to pro zone. While some may scoff at that number, we're now living in a time where mid-range mirrorless full-frame cameras range from $2,800 to $3,800, and $4,500 plus is now reserved for flagships. So the question is, will you wait for the A7V or jump on something like the Canon R6 Mark II? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Now, we can't ignore the economic side of this. As much as we all love spec sheets and image quality comparisons, camera prices are about to go up. Again, new tariffs are set to hit US buyers starting August 1st, with a 25% import duty on Japanese-made goods, including cameras, lenses, and accessories. If you're planning a purchase, especially something from Sony, Canon, Nikon, or Fujifilm, be prepared to see your wishlist go up by hundreds of dollars. This affects not just high-end gear, but also the bread and butter equipment that beginner and intermediate creators rely on. Retailers are already sounding the alarm, encouraging buyers to complete their purchases before these tariffs take effect. Pro tip: watch for flash sales in late July. We're likely to see deep discounts as retailers clear inventory to avoid selling at post-tariff prices. Deals you can't miss: small rig, Godox, and more. While we're on the topic of savings, let's talk gear deals. Right now, brands like Small Rig, Godox, and Neewer are offering some of the best Prime Day discounts we've ever seen. If you don't already know, Small Rig is the go-to for affordable, modular camera rigging, cages, arms, handles, clamps, you name it. I use their products everywhere in my studio. They're rugged, customizable, and just make life easier for filmmakers and photographers alike. For example, cages for Canon are 5 universal handles, lighting kits, mini clamps, and monitor arm. Small Rig rarely does site-wide sales of this scale, and some bundles are marked down over 25%. Considering prices are only going to increase post-tariffs, now is the time to upgrade or build out your rig. Let me know in the comments what deals you found, whether it's Small Rig, Godox, or something else that's boosted your setup. OM5 Mark II, unexpected demand in the Micro Four Thirds world. Let's shift gears and talk about the OM5 Mark II from OM Systems. It's no secret that Micro Four Thirds cameras have lost some spotlight to full-frame and APS-C competitors, but this camera's popularity might signal a resurgence. OM Digital recently announced that demand has exceeded their forecasts, especially in Japan, causing shipping delays. For a mid-range MFT camera, that's pretty impressive. So what's driving the buzz? Compact size, robust weather sealing, advanced computational photography, loyal Olympus user base. This shows there's still a real appetite for smaller sensor cameras that deliver big features, perfect for travel, street photography, and vloggers looking for portability without sacrificing performance. If you're considering this camera, now's the time to act, or at least be ready for a wait. Let's talk market trends. Let's get analytical for a minute. CIFA's May 2025 numbers are out, and they confirm that mirrorless shipments are increasing rapidly, even faster than expected. Adoption of mirrorless systems over DSLR is accelerating, and manufacturers that fail to pivot fully to mirrorless could soon fall behind. Brands like Canon, Nikon, and Fuji are now dominating the mid-range thanks to smart choices in design, autofocus, and video specs, areas where older Sony models like the A7 III are showing their age. And while Sony still rules the entry-level and ultra-high-end markets, their mid-range is losing ground fast. Cameras like the Canon R50, R10, and even the Nikon Z5 and Z6 II are taking over that sweet spot where users want affordable pro-level features. Why data matters. Predicting the camera industry's future now. A quick word about why I share this kind of data. My background is in business operations. I've been studying market behavior for 20+ years, not just in photography, but in general tech industries. These shipment trends, pre-order delays, and sales reports are not just numbers, they're predictive tools. If you want to know what features manufacturers will prioritize in future models, or even which brands are worth investing in long term, this is how you find out. So when I speculate or share rumors about upcoming gear like the A7V, it's not just hype, it's backed by market behavior and business logic. Content creation in 2025, what to buy and when for new creators just starting out, or for professionals looking to invest. Here's a quick 2025 buying tip. Entry level. Full frame, expect prices from $1 $200, $2,000 mid-range cameras, set aside $2 $700, $3 $800 high-end flagships, prepare for $4 $500 plus. This new pricing structure isn't going anywhere. And with tariffs looming, these numbers could become the new norm globally. Final thoughts. Between market uncertainty, rising costs, and long-anticipated camera releases, there's a lot to watch for. But one thing's for sure, the Sony A7V could be the shakeup the mid-range mirrorless market needs. Stay tuned because when it drops, we'll be breaking it down here on Techno Trend Zone.